Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Probability questions often look tricky, but we can solve this one super fast using the addition rule. Let us break down the steps to find success. Start with the addition rule for probability. The union of two events equals the sum of their individual probabilities minus the probability of their intersection. That is our starting point. Substitute the given values into the equation. Since the union is 1 and the sum of individual probabilities is 1, the intersection must be 0. You got this. Keep going. By definition, if the intersection of two events is 0, they can't happen at the same time. Therefore, the events are mutually exclusive. That makes option A our final winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't define or omit the trap, apply addition, and check for 0 to stay safe.